Moringa leaves or drumstick leaves are nutritionally very rich, and it's very versatile veggie in Indian cuisine from ages. These leaves are rich in calcium, iron, potassium, and many other important vitamins. So it is necessary that we add this superfood to our diet regularly. So let's see how to prepare this stir fry. For this recipe, you require one bunch of drumstick leaves, which you have to clean and wash in running water at least for 3 times. Never cut the veggies or any greens and then wash, because it might wash out all the nutrients which are there in the veggies, and mostly it applies to the green leafy veggies. So once you finish washing, remove it in a bowl, or even you can towel dry the leaves. Then take the leaves and just roughly chop them. Somewhat like this, you will see the leaves which are roughly chopped. You can chop them fine too, it depends all on your choice. And now to begin with the stir fry, in a pan add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 8 to 10 garlic chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped, and 2 onions chopped. Saute all this for 2 minutes. And then add the chopped moringa leaves to it. Now stir the veggie nicely so that it combines well with the onions and other ingredients. After stirring, add salt as per your taste. Stir again. And now cover and slow cook the veggie for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of slow cooking, open the lid and stir it again. And you don't have to add water to this veggie, because it will release its own water, and even onions will release the water. Again, cover and cook for more 5 minutes. And the veggie is nicely cooked. Now time to add freshly grated coconut, around 1 cup. Stir again so that it gets nicely mixed with the fresh coconut. And cover and cook for last 2 minutes on slow flame. And here it is, healthy and tasty Muskachi Bhaji or the drumstick leaves bhaji is ready to be served as a side dish with your rice or chapati. Thank you for watching.